Attention, 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 attention.
Sorry for the guy who doesn't know mom's rain poop. Actually, according to people who saw it, it was a big rain coming to El Reno also and more. So anyways, what I was saying, there is a big massive 300 miles per hour wind. It is a big rain of full poop. Yeah, that I don't know by I guess.
Yes, my